Dubai car wash worker win yesterday 10 million dirham. You can convert in your currency, so you can get the result how much amount they will win. So they try via application or via website a game. In this interview they explain all this thing, how long they are staying in Dubai and how they play. He is a very normal guy. He is taking lots of loan and they want to clear it, so God give this gift to him. He is just 31 years old and they support their family, and they came here approximately 3 years. They collect money to operation his brother. Now their dreams come true. If you want the more information about the game and how to play, so stay tuned and subscribe to my channel and like the video. I can give you useful and important updates daily basis. Thank you so much.